A woman, an artist, an erotic experiment, an obsession that can neither be denied nor quenched. Rain. I am Elena. What do you want of me? What would you have me do? How would you have me be? I am new, just born. I barely know myself, but I will. Caress myself here, you say. Turn there. Yes, I listen well. I am learning. Thunder rolls in the distance. It is like your voice, calling me to you, seducing me. My body is alive, saturated with water and sensation. Rain runs through my hair. It touches my skin. But it is your kisses, your hands that I feel, your fingers in my hair. What are you looking at? A pleasure girl from a brothel in Bangkok? A precious white pearl to feed the appetites of those who desire her? I am a captive, a slave of pleasure, mine and yours. Summon me with water, draw me forth. Let me feel your kisses on my eyes and lips. Lash my body with your passion. Moisture saturates the earth, my body, my sex. My hunger is insatiable, mounting higher and faster. Your hands, your fingers, your tongue, more, harder, faster. Take me, my lover. I am your sacred harlot, offered up from the gutter, where all women are cast for experiencing the power of their sex. See how I rise like a phoenix. See how I am reborn.